How to make and receive phone call on your Apple Watch. Press on. At first, connect your iPhone to your Apple Watch and showing it to this interface. Press on to phone apps and showing it to dial pad. If you want to dial number or showing it to contact, showing it to your contact list. Okay, and just press on to call. Now calling this person. Okay, close. And if you want to receive phone call, okay, and as you can see, I'm get phone call. Just press on to receive the phone call. So that's it.